camera inside.
Thank you so much po, Sir Eric Ivan and Coach Ronnie Magsanak, our best player coming from the GSIS. We have Sir Tristan Hernandez. Congratulations po for your first win dito sa atin. Of course, last year natapos po kayo at the third place, no? This year, do you have a goal in mind na gusto niyo pong ma-achieve for the 2025 Executive Space Off?
Well, unang-una, it's nice to be back dito sa UNTV Executive Cup, no? It's always nice to win the first game. So anyway, syempre, ma'am, we will try to duplicate kung ano man yung achievement last year or kung mahihigita namin, mas okay. Pero as for now, again, we'll take this one game at a time. Tapos na yung first game, meron pa kaming 5. So hopefully, ang aim namin is makapasok na sa quarterfinal.
But the challenge for the team right now is yung inyong mga ensayo, no? Will you try to commit more as a team to practice all together? Kasi sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Popoy also, yun talaga yung naging struggle niyo for this year.
Yes, actually, as mentioned ko ma'am kanina, wala talaga kami halos practice as a team. Individual practices naman ginagawa namin. Seeing the competition for this season, dapat na kami mag-practice. Yes, kasi talagang medyo bumata sila, tumanda kami. So dapat mag-practice kami.
Is that an advantage dahil kahit paano intact pa rin ang inyong koponan, isa lang yung nagbago sa inyong lineup?
Well, yes, kasi halos yung buong team to, buong buo pa to, isa lang yung nabago. So kahit paano, meron na rin chemistry yung team.
Okay, go ahead with your greetings. Mga gusto niyo pang batiin at pasalamatan as a team po.
So, syempre po, papasalamat po kami sa buong GSIS management, kay PG Enrique Veloso, kay Mother Paulo Veloso, Sir Ricky Ramos, get well soon, magkataling po kayo Sir Ricky. And of course, sa lahat ng mga coach namin, sa mga coach sa SVP ko, Paul Marquez, SVP Val, VP Bo, Manager Marco, sa buong IG family, sa mga SVP at sa mga Yakaman. Of course, binabati ko yung mga birthday celebrants, si Coach Pamboy, si Mike Beran, si Bimbo, mga John celebrants yan. So of course, ang family ko, parents ko, ang wife ko, yung Kip and Clyde, love you all, mga inos ko. And of course, yung mga classmates ko, mga barkado kayo.
Maraming salamat po. You get this gift back coming from the UNTV Cup family. Happy birthday sa lahat ng July birthday celebrants coming from Team GSIS. Congratulations once again for winning that game against the BJMP. Congratulations also to the SSS winning earlier.